Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Android Studio and a Google account, so start by creating a new Android project and choose Kotlin or Java. Next, go to the Firebase console and add an Android app using your app package name. Download the Google services. JSON file and place it into app/folder. Once done, add the Google Services plugin to your project level and app level Gradle files and sync. This gets Firebase connected to your APK build and prepares the app for database dependencies. Now you add the specific database SDK. Choose real-time database for simple JSON or Firestore for structured queries. Put the dependency lines in app build. Gradle, apply the Google Services plugin and sync. Then initialize Firebase, call Firebase app. Initialize app context or rely on automatic initialization when the Google services. JSON is present. Once initialized, obtain your database reference or Firebase Firestore instance and verify rules in the Firebase console. Make sure to handle network permissions and enable offline persistence if needed for smoother behavior. Finally, implement write operations using setValue or setOnDocument references and attach completion listeners to confirm success or catch errors. For reads, attach real-time listeners and remember to remove them in onStop or onDestroy to avoid leaks. Once your flows run, test with the Firebase console data viewer and the Android emulator. If something breaks, check Google services. JSON placement, Gradle plugin versions, and database rules. Using verbose logcat messages typically reveals permission or network problems quickly and guides your fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.